Okay, so today we're gonna go over what is an event study. So, an event study is how a firm's value is impacted by an event, and this is assessed with a statistical method. Some of the examples of event studies can be things like mergers and acquisitions, announcements, debt or equity issues, corporate reorganizations, or investment decisions, just to mention a few. So, what's the main idea? This is to find the abnormal return attributed due to the event. The return is adjusted by the comparison on the price fluctuation on the market. And this was invented by Ball and Brown. This can be used in many different subjects and areas, such as in accounting, in finance, in management, in economics, marketing, information technology, law, political science, operation and supply chain management. So, as you can see, it's something that can be applied in many different areas. And the tools that are used to conduct these analyses can be Microsoft Excel. This when the study is not very complicated. And then if we want to get more into depth, we can use different statistical packages such as Stata or MATLAB. And furthermore, there's specific softwares dedicated just to event studies, such as Eventus and event study tools. So this has been the introduction to what the main idea of an event study. And in the future slides, we're going to be able to understand and go more into depth into the different types and areas of event studies.